Hi, welcome back to Lahi Labs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the installation of Security Onion and also get some traffic in this IDS. I'll start by showing you again our client ticket. You have a new client, Trevor Phillips Industry from Sandy Shores in California, and your new client wants you to install an IDS and IPS system that can pass the PCI compliance. You need to be able to keep logs, and they also want their security analyst to be able to get this traffic and also do intrusion prevention in their own network. You decided to check out Security Onion, and these are the requirements: 4 CPU, 8 gigs of RAM, a hypervisor, and in this case I'm running in VMware ESXi. It will work with VMware Workstation, Hyper-V, or any other open source solutions. You need a mirror switch and port group, that's for VMware ESXi. You need 2 network adapters for your virtual machine or for the physical machine, and one needs to have internet access at this point for the installation purposes. Then after that you don't need to. And you also need a second adapter that's going to be for mirroring traffic. Now that we know what our ticket is, let's log into our Security Onion VM. If you need instructions on how to install this VM, please refer to my previous video. At this point, you just installed Ubuntu, and the first thing that you want to do is run the install Security Onion installer. Just double click on the icon on the desktop. It will allow you to choose your language and hit continue. I say download and install updates while installing Security Onion, and hit continue. Yes, erase disk and install Security Onion. So install now. Continue. Choose your time zone and hit continue. This is very important because your logs might not be accurate if your time zone is incorrect. Choose your language. And hit enter or continue. You want to create a username and password. I'm using my administrator, who is the name of the computer. I want to name it Security Onion. And for username, just create your own and a password. Require my password to log in. Hit enter. And this will begin the installation process. After the installation is completed, go ahead and restart the virtual machine. Make sure that you remove the CD from the virtual machine. Once the virtual machine restarts, go ahead and log in the username and password that you created during the installation period. So once you're back in after the restart, hit setup again. Then enter your password. and hit yes, continue. Yes, let's configure the network. And after the virtual machine restarted, go ahead and hit setup, enter your password, say OK. Yes, continue. Yes, skip the network configuration. It's very important that you choose evaluation mode, otherwise the elk script will not run. Okay. You want to create a username that you will use to log into Kibana, Squirt and Squill. Say OK. The password. Then OK. Confirm the password. OK. Yes, proceed with the changes. And this will configure all the settings that we just confirmed to. So this will continue to do the installation. And after this, once the installation is complete, you will be presented with this message. Just go ahead and hit OK. So we will just follow that information and actually run those commands to make sure that everything is actually set up correctly. Alright, so to access Kibana, just double click on the Kibana icon on the desktop. So I just generated a lot of logs and waited for them to populate my Kibana dashboard. As you can see here, I have a lot of logs. I have bro notices, elastic alerts, host intrusion detection system alerts, network intrusion detection system alerts, and it shows you here. So this is how you set up your own security onion with elk. And as you can see here, there's a lot of things that you can do, and my hope is that you continue to play with the elk stash with security onion and bro and see what you can find. So that was it about on how you can install security onion. Please subscribe to this channel and we'll continue to post videos like this. We'll continue to play with security onion and see how we can build our skills as a security analyst, as a network administrator. How can you use this system? So we'll continue playing and posting more videos about this system. So that's it about the installation of security onion.